If you are struggling to find the right target audience on LinkedIn, I will show you simple method that you can find your target audience with easy method. And now you can see that here is a formula, and this is also called Boolean search. And now you can see that first we are just putting the job title 1, job title 2, and now you can see that. And if you want to find your target audience, you just simply add the or and then inverted commas. You can also put here the directors. So it totally depends on you what kind of target audience you are finding. And after this, if you want to put another niche, you just need to put your another niche, for example coach, consultant, and not this portion. You are not searching on sale navigator on your LinkedIn search, recruiters or student. So the parts of this formula is, first you need to put job title first to second, third and fourth. Same like this you can increase your job titles and increase this formula. And second part is, here you just need to find second niche. For example, my first niche is founder, CEO and owner, and second my niche is coach and consultant. And after this, I am not searching on Sale Navigator or LinkedIn Basic Search, recruiters or students. Let's practical this example so you can understand about Boolean search and understand about this formula. And for example, you are searching only founder, CEO and owner. Simply you just need to copy the formula, and you can also increase directors and something more job titles according to your requirement. And now after this you just need to copy the formula and then paste into LinkedIn Basic Search or Sale Navigator search. And now I am just copying this formula, and then I just open my Sale Navigator. Here you just need to paste this formula, and then you just need to click on enter. And after this you just need to find your more filters, for example geography, and different more filters are available. You can choose all those filters according to your requirement. For example, I just need a people from United States, and this I am just putting here the geography United States. And after this, different more filters are available. You can choose all those filters according to your requirement. Now you can see that I just put in the formula founder, and now you can see that founder is also available. Founder, and now you can see that this is my second niche. This is a coach, and now you can see that. So Sale Navigator works like a formula, and now you can see that I just put here the founder in a formula, and now founder is also available. And now this is my second niche, and now you can see that coach is also available, coach, founder. So now you can see that. So in this way you can find your target audience correctly, and now you can see that founder, executive coach and consultant, and now you can see that. And simple formula you can also put on your LinkedIn Basic Search. And now I will show you how you can put the formula if you are not using LinkedIn Premium account and you don't have a LinkedIn Sale Navigator. So simply you just need to copy the formula and paste in your LinkedIn Basic Search. And for LinkedIn Basic Search, I am just copying the founder, CEO, first part of this formula, and then I am just putting here my LinkedIn Basic Search, and now you can see that. I just need to paste one time, and now you can see it. And now it's only showing the founder, CEO and owner. Now you can see that. And after this you can set the location according to your requirement, and different more filters are available according to your choice. So you can choose all those filters according to your requirement. Different more filters are available. Now you can see that. So in this way, with the help of formula, you can find your target audience accurately and perfectly. So hope you understand. If you have any question related to this, then I am available here. Thank you for watching this video.